the parent of our sound family. This right here is the letter F. It makes a really soft, windy sound, kind of like this. Can you try that with me? Just put your top teeth on your bottom lip and gently blow. Perfect. You got it.
Okay, now that we've met the parent, are you ready to meet the very first family member? Ooh, I think I can hear them coming right now. It's time for some fun with fa. And here it is. This sound is fa. Can you say it nice and loud for me? Fa. Let me hear it one more time. Fa. That was absolutely brilliant. Wow, look at all these wonderful Swahili words that start with fa. So first up, we've got familia, and that means family. You know, just like our sound family. Next is farasi, and that's a horse. Can you make a horse sound with me? Neigh. Then we have fanya, which means to do or to make something. And last but not least, fahamu, which means to understand. And you are all doing a fantastic job understanding all this. Whoa, hold on. I think I hear two sounds coming at once. Get ready, you guys, because it's time to meet the super energetic twins of the F family. This is going to be fast and really fun. Here comes the first twin. Everybody say a big hello to Faye. Can you say that with a huge smile on your face? Faye, Faye, Faye. Wonderful job. Let's see what words our friend Faye has for us. Okay, we have feather. You know what that means? Money. You can pretend to count your coins. Clink, clink, clink. And we also have fana. That's a big, yummy tropical fruit called the jackfruit. And just like that, here's the second twin, right on time. 5 words. First is farimbi. That's a whistle. Can you pretend to blow a whistle with me? Tweet, tweet. Then we've got fisi, which is a hyena. Next up is fimbo, a stick. And look at this one, fikiria. It means to think. Let's all put on our thinking faces. Our family adventure isn't over yet. Not even close. We have 2 more super friendly sounds to meet. Come on, let's go say hello to our friends, fo and fu. Okay, here's our next friend. This sound is fo. For this one, try making your mouth into a little circle, you know, like the letter O, and say it with me, fo. Perfect. So what words start with fo? Well, we have foam u, which is a form, like a piece of paper you might fill out. And then there's foleni. This one is really fun. It means a line. Can you stand up and make a little foleni right where you are? Great job lining up. We made it! It's our last sound friend in the F family. Are you ready? Let's give a big, cheerful welcome to foo! Everybody together, let me hear it. Foo, 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 hooray! Time for our final set of words. And you know what? My absolute favorite is first. It's faraha. It means happiness. Let's all show me a happy face. Awesome. Next, we have funguo. Those are keys. Jingle, jangle. Then funga, which means to close or fasten, like you funga your jacket. And finally, funza, which can be a worm or a jigger. But let's really remember faraha, happiness. You did it! You met the whole F sound family. It's time for a big family reunion and one last happy surprise. I am so excited to show you. Okay, let's quickly remember everyone we met today. We have fa for familia, our family, fe for feda, our money, fi for firimbi, our whistle, fo for folini, our line, and fu for furaha, our happiness. Wow, you learned them all. So we know that furaha means happiness, which is just the best feeling. But when you're feeling really happy, you might do something pretty special. And that's our surprise word. Are you ready for it? Here it is. Our final word is anacheka. That is a fun one to say. Let's try it together nice and slow. A-na-cheka. Now one more time a little faster. Anacheka. What do you think it means? And here is the big surprise. Anacheka means he or she is laughing. That's what you do when you are full of furaha, full of happiness. Can everyone give me your biggest, happiest laugh? Ha ha ha! That was wonderful. You were all incredible sound explorers today. Just remember to never stop being curious. I wonder,
What fun new words will you discover next? Keep exploring, keep learning, and of course, keep laughing. Goodbye for now.